main thing we want to do is we want to isolate the x squared, right? Just like we did here, we isolated x squared before we took the square root. That's the same thing over here. You're going to want to subtract the 3 on both sides first, and then divide by -2 before we get into undoing the squaring. Now in this case, we cannot subtract the 2, right? Because this 2 is inside this parentheses, that quantity is being squared. So therefore I need to take the square root of both sides, and that's going to leave me now with an x plus 2 equals now the square root of a negative number, which again, remember that's going to bring us into our imaginary unit system. So therefore it's going to be I square root of 2, and then we could subtract the 2 on both sides. But again, remember from the last problem, make sure whenever you introduce the square root, you're going to have plus or minus. So our final answer is going to be -2 plus or minus an I square root of 2. So always look for when you have one single